Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so someone asked me if I could do a little bit of XLM. Actually, it's true, Stellar. I didn't do it often lately anyway. So let me do a bigger recap here. Let me zoom out. So this is, yeah, it's not the greatest chart. I would call this an A, B, C, and this is why I put the 1 here. This was an A, B, C. It did go a little bit too deep momentarily, but you can see that the 0.786 really acted as a support. And after that, we have this very skyrocketing movement. Now the problem that I'm having with this movement here, it's let me check here. That's what happened with a C wave. So what if this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C, all right? So we need to just be careful. And now the retracement will tell us if this is going to be a fourth wave, and then we're going to have one wave up, or if it goes way below the 0.5, actually even 0.618, then if it goes below that, then we know that this is it's not happening, and indeed it's more an ABC, and we're going to have a bigger pullback for a wave 2. Let me unselect that, and if this is the case, just it is just nice to prepare ourselves if price doesn't hold. What are the levels that we can expect to go? So because this is a diagonal, I need to also give more room, so 0.618, and you can see that if we go below the 0.5, then we start to have a case that those two counts can work. Unfortunately, below 19 cents, well, I'm definitely shifting for the green count. Actually, let me put it orange. Right, so 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, and yes, put that in orange. Okay, so I just want to put it there so it's clear. A, B, and C. Okay, so these are the options now that I can see. I'm still focusing more on this fourth wave. If we can hold, that would be great. We do have some positive signs for the moment anyway, but this is the difficulty now of telling you this is over or not. This could be just all the A, and then we're going to have a B and a deeper C wave. I'm going to put that in orange. Okay, so if this is the A, I can do a resistance for all this for the B wave. Okay, so no matter what, I'm expecting a little bit of price action to the upside. And to be fair, I can also add the 0.32 because sometimes they have a shallow pullback, and after that they can continue to go lower. So definitely I start to have a strong case. I start to have a case when price, if reach the higher level, the 0.618, 44.75 cents, start to have a stronger case if price goes higher than 0.7x6, and coincidentally this is the high B wave level, allegedly B wave, And yeah, so we need to monitor carefully. Short term, you can see that it looks like price is attempting to break this short term downtrend. Let me, so we just broke it, kind of did a retest, and now it looks like unsure what it's doing. I also want to mention we did reach the 1-to-1 ratio. Let me remove this C wave here. If I do the extension wave A to wave B, we did reach perfectly, or yeah, perfectly the 1-to-1 ratio. So we have a lot of things happening here, and the MA 200 band on acted at the same time as the 1-to-1 ratio wave A, wave C. So you know, there are a lot of things. There are a lot of things that hint me or hint us that this. Let me check the RSIs. What's the situation on the RSIs? Need to say I'm a little bit surprised, but no, we did have a nice movement to the upside, but I was hoping RSI on the 12 hours to be lower. Okay, daily is not bad. We're just around the 50, so it has a lot of room, and this is my concern now. Are we going to reach the 0.382 or the 0.5 or 618? I'm not sure we have enough fuel to do that. Now, the thing I'm interested in is, are we going to make that in 5 waves or 3 waves? So let's remember, 3 waves it would be a pullback. 5 waves, let me go on the 4 hours maybe. So the thing we need to pay attention now is how it's going to do this movement to the upside. Is it going to do it in 3 waves, like maybe A, B, and a C, and after that price get rejected? So we need to check every level that price can get rejected and see how it goes. When price is going to do that, because it is going to do that, we need to be careful of this allegedly 4th wave. Okay, so this will enable us to do a fib retracement, and then it will tell us if we go below the wave fib for the wave 4, then yeah, this was a B wave, and then we can expect lower price for this C wave. If price reverse, where we have a fib retracement for the 4th wave, then it's going to reverse and then go higher, and then after that we are going to have 5-way up, then we can prepare for a 3-wave down, okay, and create a higher low, and that's going to be very bullish or more bullish. But we're going to have way more hints that this correction is done and we are ready, and we would have already made the wave 1 and 2 at that point. So, and this is micro counting, right? So I'm trying to look that for 5 waves up in a micro counting, and after that I want to see 3 wave down always to the micro counting, and that could be a possible entry point that it's, you know, less risky because we already have 5-way up and possibly 3-way down. All right, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day.